Welcome guys, I'm Janet, your community liaison at World Anvil. If you're a world builder, a writer, a storyteller, a creator, or even just a dreamer, you're in the right place. World Anvil is an online tool to help you build, store and showcase your worlds and search through them easily and quickly. My husband and I created World Anvil together. I wanted a place to store my timelines, characters and maps so I could have them to hand when writing. Demetrius wanted to be able to store and develop his role-playing campaign setting. World Anvil does all that and makes the world creation process really fluid and fun. World Anvil is also a community of world builders, a place where you can bounce ideas off each other, discuss knotty problems and inspire one another. So go on, click on the button below and start building your world.